Inovasi PKS 2020, sesi Jun 2020. Fabrication of tank KZ by using auxiliary power outlet. Our supervisor Muhammad Sahad bin Omar. Our project member Chai Shang Hao, Evan Tang Kai Jie. Memorandum and Alison Christie. Introduction and breakdown. Introduction. The project is recommended car tool for everyone that using car, especially for emergency cases such as flat tire. This car jet version given extra to easy to lift and adjust the vehicle height by using mechanism. Breakdown. Before that, a lot of people when they're getting emergency cash such as flat tire, they don't know how to do it. And lastly, they call the mechanic to get help and getting hand got charged by the mechanic. They said that using the cylinder jet, they affects their hand getting bent and need a lot of energy to jet the car because its need requires very physical on the part of the user. Objective and scope. Objective: to fabricate an electric cylinder jet connected to auxiliary power outlet to jet the car safety for tire changing during emergency. Scope: the project applied a wiper motor to ensure the cylinder jet can walk by using on-off switch. For emergency flat tire and chain tire, maximum weight up to 320.5 kg. The cost of our project is under 320. Maximum height can lift until 300 mm. Novelly, any cylinder jet can also install it on this product. On the left hand side picture is Honda cylinder jet, but on the right hand side picture is Toyota cylinder jet. Fabrication of tanker jet by using auxiliary power outlet. First, can be done in 2 minutes to jet the car up without painless and safe energy. No need to require substantial laboratory physical effort on the part of the user. Durable and withstand high pressure a lot. Easy use for everyone. Manual cylinder jet. First, around 10 minutes to jet up the car and need to require a lot of energy. It need require substantial laboratory physical effort on the part of the user to jet their car. Not everyone can use, especially for women getting pain after use it. Benefit to the user. Can be done painless, save time and save energy. Easy use for everyone, especially for the woman. Can be done alone because it's no need require high technical skill and no need require substantial laboratory physical effort. No need to call mechanical to get help and get charged from them. Can be spread and easy to carry because the weight of this product is now about 5 kg. Benefit to society. Can reduce traffic congestion when facing the emergency flat tire because it's no need to take a long time to jet the vehicle. It's easy for the owner because the owner no need to call and find the mechanic to get help and get charged when cannot find other people to get help, such as facing a phone problem, so it can solve along without other help. The workshop also can use this product when people call to get help from them. Result of testing. We also have tried to jet the Honda Accord 1990 year car until the tire in the air. Time taken is 1.24 minutes. The Honda Accord 1990 year car weight is 2822 IBS equal 1280 kg, so divided 4 is equal 320 kg. Commercialization potential. From this diagram, we can see that 100% respondents are agree that they are interested with our project and 1.3% respondents are not agree about our project. Second, 98.7% respondents are agree that our project can using less energy and time required to lift the vehicle, but 1.3% respondents are not agree about it. Third, from this diagram, we can see the result. 93.3% people are agree our project have safety feature compared to current product manual cylinder jet. Then 6.7% respondents are not agree about it. Interview section. Our team has gone to Potong to meet the employee for interview about what project that we can build for society. Lastly, we decided to build electronic cylinder jet to help some community in facing flat tire, and the employee agreed about our idea.
pagi, saya Aimantan Kang Jet dan juru kamera adalah Cai Changhao. Sekarang kami akan membentangkan uji kaji tentang proyek kami terhadap kendaraan Honda Accord. Saya akan cakap fungsi tentang proyek kami. Dan di sini kita boleh lihat ini adalah switch box. Dalam ini kita telah buat satu relay untuk menaikkan dan menurunkan jack. Yang ini adalah switch. Switch ini kegunaan dia untuk menaikkan atau menghentikan atau menurunkan kita punya jack. Dan di sini kita menggunakan motor wiper berkuasa 12 volt untuk memutarkan jack kita. Kelebihan proyek kami adalah kami boleh menggunakan jenis jack yang lain karena di sini pengunci pemutar jack ini boleh dibuka dan dipasang. Kami telah membuat uji kaji bahwa Proton dan Podra mempunyai kunci pemutar jack yang hampir sama. Oleh sebab terdapat segelintir kereta yang tidak menggunakan jack yang sebegini, kami telah mencipta bahan ini untuk ini. Bahan ini boleh digunakan terhadap jack Toyota. Jadi cara menggunanya, kami akan membuka punya pengunci ini dan memasangkan bahan ini ke dalam dan mengetat kembali.
Selamat pagi, nama saya Cai Changhao. Hari ini saya akan menerangkan cara penggunaan projek kita. Langkah pertama, saya akan menggunakan auxiliary power alert sambung di sini supaya dapat power daripada supply kereta. Langkah kedua, saya akan meletakkan jack tersebut ke bawah kereta yang sesuai untuk jack kereta di sini. Step ketiga, saya akan start engine untuk mendapatkan supply power daripada bateri. Langkah keempat, saya akan menggunakan motor ini supaya dapat jack kereta tersebut.
Few moments later.
Berhentikan motor ini berputar dengan adjust motor ini di tengah sebab sudah sampai sesuai untuk katanya lah, sudah naik tinggi. So sekarang saya akan menurunkan balik dengan pelan.
A few minutes later.
Kesimpulannya, kami percaya bahwa hasil proyek kami ini dapat membantu lebih banyak orang di luar sana untuk menjack kereta mereka dengan lebih mudah dan lebih senang, terutamanya kepada golongan wanita dan kepada golongan yang tidak mahir untuk menjack kereta mereka. Saya berharap dengan hasil proyek ini dapat membantu mereka untuk menjack kereta mereka dengan lebih baik dan padu.